Wuhan City, Yijianuo Machinery Company Limited is a professional Alibaba Gold supplier of equipment, which works on food packing machinery research, production, sales, and provide perfect after-sales service with CE and ISO 9001 certificate. Yijianuo is committed in providing comprehensive solutions and services of filling, packaging, and processing machines and equipment for the water, soft drinks, beer, wine, whiskey, oil, sauces, jams, mayonnaise, food, snack food, bakery, confectionery, frozen food, pet food industries. The main machines include cup filling sealing machine, modified atmosphere bowl packaging machine, nozzle pouch filling capping machine, vacuum tray sealing machine, liquid paste cup filling sealing machine, and other packing machines. We believe that only our customers achieve sustainable economic success, and then we can develop and grow together. Our corporate philosophy and decision-making strictly follow this principle. As a whole solution provider, we can design the food production line according to customers' requirements. Mainly export our products to North America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. We listen carefully to our customers and study their ideas, and then offer high-quality, customized, and feasible products. We regard every customer as our partners and provide service, support, and advice for factory planning, installation, and training, no matter if they buy individual components or complete production lines.